Well, they call me a trendsetter. Come on, Pato, you gotta show the camera what's going on here. Medium.
Oh, true. Fuck, I don't know, actually. I was gonna ask you. Look at that. That's a bit
Looks
darker.
good. Yeah, you got a dark one.
I don't know, it's cheap.
So we're starting to rip the soffit off and the fascia, but we really need to take the roof off, and looks like my hopes are dashed regarding the weather. That looks good, but all of that and the forecast a little bit sketchy. So I'm gonna go pick up a tarpaulin right now for hire. We need a big one. Alright, camera set up. Shouldn't have any problems. Cue the time lapse. Wind. So we have to keep one eye on the weather when it's the middle of winter in New Zealand. So we've got our tarp ready to go, sort of tied down loosely now while we had lunch. We're just going to spend the next hour or two framing up now that we know our wall heights, and then we'll secure this for the evening, and then tomorrow we'll assemble the trusses. That's the plan. So we've fixed our bottom plate. Now we're going to match our top plate to our bottom plate and cut a bunch of studs. So what we like to do here is when we don't have room to build the wall frame on the floor, we get the top plate and the bottom plate, we line them up, and then we transfer our marks over. And that way we can nail our studs up and still find the right place when it's floating up in the air. So, Paito here just cut every stud the exact same size because we trust our floor. Well, let's find out if we should trust our floor by checking the level. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. What do you reckon, Paito?
Very professional.
Very professional. You just leave it like that and you just walk away. Alright, the rain is officially here. I think it was a good call not trying to get the trusses up. The tarp's on, we just need to secure it. The wall's up, we just need to do the little end walls. Tomorrow we'll still do the trusses. We'll still do it. So that's the tarpaulin for the evening, tied up. We're back on phone cam. We've got our wall there. Just got to do the end walls in the morning and throw the trusses up. And hopefully the worst of this will have passed. Find out tomorrow.